Today is January 31st, 2019, and this is episode 30 of PlaneSavers. There you guys go. There's the C46. It is minus 23 degrees Celsius, which is minus 9 Fahrenheit. It's cold. Hopefully that audio is working. Okay, let's head inside. I got some special stuff for you today. Whew. Yeah. Okay, I got some special stuff for today. I got a fan-made PlaneSavers episode to show you guys. I have a surprise from Antarctica. What else do I have? Oh, the mystery iMac has been solved. I'd like to share with you that. So, and a little bit more surprises. Some DC3 stuff. Some more fan stuff. Woo! It's cold. Okay. Okay, let's head inside. Warm up. Okay, the first thing I want to show you guys today is an update from the PlaneSavers UK in Canada. It's the night flight crew from Coventry. They're currently in Peterborough, Ontario, getting parts from a parts machine for their D-Day machine in the UK. So let's join them now in Peterborough, Ontario.
Morning everyone, it's Neil and Charlie in the truck here. We're just on our way with Tim Pickett, who's helping us out over here, back to Tim's place to go and take a look at the two engines we've got in the truck there and some other spares. So we're going to see if we can load those up and get them back to the airport. The other guys, Tom and Richard, are back at the aeroplane. They're busy unloading some of the gear out of the plane so we can see what we've got and making a bit of a plan there. So yeah, luckily the weather's not too bad. It's warmed up a bit. It's -6 it says on the truck. It is still snowing and there's a bit of a breeze blowing across the airport, which is making it interesting. But yeah, that's this morning's update, so we'll check back in with you when we're back at the aircraft. Okay everyone, just a quick look inside the aircraft here. Now we've managed to clear some of the stuff out for inside. So that's the rear bulkhead there that we're going to be taking, and the cargo floor here as we walk up the aircraft. Still a little bit of stuff we've got to clear out, and the front bulkhead there, which we'll be taking as well. Just have a quick look in the cockpit up here. There you go. Okay, afternoon everyone. We've split resources here, so we got Tom and Richard are back over at the airport at Peterborough, emptying stuff out of the aeroplane, and they're hooking up the compressor and they're going to get ready to start drilling some parts off. So let's go and have a look. So Tim's very kindly already loaded one of the engines onto a trailer for us. So you can see that one's he's already mounted there in the trailer, which is great. That's our Ford F-150 pickup for the week. We needed that last night, so that's a good job. Let's go over to the truck here where Neil's still parts hunting and see what we got. You can see we've had a pretty good rummage through the truck there. So yeah, that's certainly going to fill up the truck for the first run back to the airport. You can see we got some spare wheels in there and some cowlings and all sorts. And then Neil and I have got a bit of work to do with the second engine. Okay, that's the first load of stuff in the truck, and we're off back to Peterborough. Okay guys, so this is it. We're losing the light a little bit here now as we head into the afternoon, but yeah, a little quick walk around at the C47 here. We've got quite a lot of parts underneath now which we've taken out of the aircraft, so yeah, there you go. Okay folks, I think that's just about it for day one. As you can see, it's 5:30 and we're starting to lose the light a little bit, so we're kind of packing up here for today. It's a pretty successful day one. We got a few bits stripped from the outside of the aeroplane, all the stuff emptied from the aeroplane, and quite a lot of the stuff from the storage facility back over to the aeroplane as well. So we're pretty happy with day one, so we're going to go back now and warm up and make a plan for day two.
So I'm excited as well to follow along with Night Fright's crew as they look for parts in their parts machine. I like to learn more about their parts machine. Maybe we'll find their serial number and do some searching and find some history with that. Yeah, so parts around the world for the DC-3s are getting very, very rare. So as you can see, a group from the UK is coming all the way to Canada to find specific World War II parts, like the bulkheads and the troop seats and that kind of stuff. So I feel very fortunate to be in an area where there is still DC-3 parts around. In fact, you know, in Joe's attic. One cool thing, so yesterday's episode, the rabbit hole just goes deeper and deeper and deeper. So you remember from yesterday's episode, we're talking about JKB. Here you go, folks, a picture from a gun show in Virginia and thousands of DC-3s around the world. This one just happens to have a Canadian connection and a Buffalo Airways connection, and just goes to show you, no matter where you are in the world, aviation makes it just a little bit smaller. Which is a Basler DC-3 owned by Ken Bork that a guy in Virginia found a picture of in a gun show, and it just gets weirder, and PNR is one serial number away from it. It gets even crazier. My buddy, the Aussie ace, Will, is in Antarctica right now with JKB. Yes, that's right. JKB is in Antarctica, and here's the pictures to prove it. So as you can see, she's on skis. Will sent me these pictures. Thank you, Will, for sharing them. It's just amazing. I got a lot of people asking me, do you think people are watching this in Antarctica? And here's your answer. So good luck to Will and the crew, and they're hopefully going to send me some weather updates, because as the news says, it's warmer in Antarctica than it is in Chicago. Good luck to the crew down there, and I can't wait to see more of your adventures. Okay, folks, I got a super, super adorable surprise for you. Check out this special episode of PlaneSavers.
PlaneSavers, episode number 1, Olivia. 45 degrees cold. We have a T-44 doing its engine run-ups right now. And the engine run-ups come on now. DC-3 was going to get thrown away. We brought it home and saved it. And this is it. And there's a whole crack here. And there's more little cracks right there. Or is that just, I think that's just actually another thing. And then there's a crack there, another crack there. A crack there, and a crack there. And then there's a missing rudder. It's completely bare except for up here. That's the front of the plane. The battery. Some wires. And then there's some more wires over here. And that right there. No idea what that is. I hope you enjoyed that episode. See you next time on PlaneSavers. PlaneSavers. Bye-bye.
Well, wasn't that amazing, folks? Everything truly, truly, truly warmed my heart. I do have 2 more surprises for you. We know who the mystery Mac person is, but first, big news for everybody. The PlaneSavers black merchandise, look, the t-shirts and the hats are in stock. These are in the store right now. Link down below. So one thing people have been asking about is flex fit hats. These ones right here. Those are coming soon. I just ordered those. Should be about another 3 or 4 days. But these ones right here, snapbacks, black t-shirts, Get them now while supplies last. Okay, folks, it's time. I would like to reveal who got me the mystery Mac. I'm just finishing up editing today's episode. The thing is just amazing. Brand new. Wireless keyboard, wireless mouse. Oh, split. Night Freight, thank you for sending me some stuff. Thank you, Night Freight. Gave me a patch. You guys are awesome. We're going to have an update video for Night Freight, but again, I'm getting off track. The mystery Mac. Okay, folks, it's time to reveal who bought me the mystery Mac, and is the man of the hour. It is Mr. Cliff Hope. Yes, the dude from Perth, Australia, who bought our original D-Day artwork. Thank you so much, Cliff. You are a rock star, and as what they say in Australia, you're a legend. Thank you. You told me again not to make a big deal out of it, but here you go, Cliff. You're on PlaneSavers Hall of Fame right there. Thank you. I could be looking at your face all day. I can't believe it. Look, it's so sweet. It's so quick. It's so awesome. Thank you so much. It's so great. This has been amazing. Right there, you can sit with me all the time. And everybody's been sending me messages. From Jaden with the $5 bill. On Saturday, I'll do a quick Amazon. So everybody that's donated on Amazon, thank you very much. Like Andre from Germany, he got me an SD card. Thank you. I got all the lists of everybody that's donated through Amazon. Yeah, this has been such an amazing thing. Tomorrow is Friday. I can't wait. That chair is squeaky, but it's good. Yeah, so hope you like today's episode. Hope you like Olivia. Hope you like hearing from Antarctica. They're watching PlaneSavers in Antarctica, which is amazing. It's only -5. It's only -5 in Antarctica right now. So, yeah, so great, so awesome. Thank you for joining me. I got some more cool surprises for you tomorrow. And, yeah, I can't wait to do this again and again and again and again. So I'm here for you guys, and hopefully you enjoy the show. Thank you, and we'll be seeing you soon.
PlaneSavers. Bye-bye.